Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by adding the script to the camera and exposing controls. This lets you iterate fast. Open camera rotate. CS, declare public float speed equals 90 and a vector 3 axis, then save. You do this because inspector tuning beats hardcoding values, so adjust speed live. Next, implement update skeleton so the camera can rotate every frame. Once done, return to Unity and confirm the script appears on the camera game object. Make sure no compile errors block play mode. You implement the core, transform, rotate with axis times speed times time, delta time for frame rate independent motion. Use space, self to rotate relative to camera or space, world to orbit around scene origin, pick intentionally, normalize axis to avoid unintended scaling when using dynamic input, then map input. Get axis, mouse X and mouse Y or input. Get axis raw for keys and multiply by sensitivity. Once finished, tweaks you finalize by replacing Euler accumulation with quaternion. Euler to prevent gimbal lock and smoothly compose rotations. This preserves precision. Clamp pitch to sensible ranges like -80 degrees to 80 degrees so the camera never flips. Once done, test and play across frame rates. If jitter appears, switch to applying rotation in fixed update or interpolate with quaternion. Slurp for smoothness. If rotation feels too slow, increase speed or sensitivity. If it feels too fast, lower them, iterate until the control feels right.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.